Hi, my name is Marco. I'm the product manager of K2 Systems, and today I would like to introduce our latest member in our portfolio, which is the RibClamp KL. It is suitable for metal sheet roofs, KlipLok and KlipTite. The whole clamp comes as a set and can be installed very easily and very quickly. The installation of the PV panels can be done in two ways. In landscape orientation, we can work without a rail, and therefore the PV panel can be placed directly onto the support surface of the clamp, which allows the clamping of the PV panel directly with our very well-known mini clamp, which is from 30 to 50 millimeter. So basically it's one clamp fits all modules. The other way for the installation of the PV panels in portrait orientation is with the help of our solid rail. The solid rail will be placed on the support of the RibClamp, and then we clamp the PV panels with the help of this one mid, one end clamp. So we are really proud about our new product. If you have any questions about it or you're planning a new project, please don't hesitate to contact us.